Cat Palace Assembly Instructions. The Cat Palace offers many premium features and was designed with ease of assembly in mind. First, unpack all installation hardware and place the floor panel on a flat surface. Next, place the roof securely on top of the base. Assemble the supplied screw into the molded hole of the roof. Repeat this step and assemble the remaining screws into the molded holes. To train your cat to use the easy pass-through door, remove the bottom half of the door by unscrewing the right-hand hinge bushing with a Phillips screwdriver.